Plumsters, this is Pooja and today we're going to decode an extremely popular ingredient called vitamin C. Even if you're new to skincare or practically a skinfluencer yourself, vitamin C is an ingredient you've definitely heard of before. Vitamin C is not produced by our body but is very essential for repairing the tissues of our skin. We consume it in our food, but topical applications through serums, creams and so much more is essential for the skin when done right. Watch ahead for the whys, hows, do's and don'ts on vitamin C. Vitamin C in itself is such a potent antioxidant that it can protect your skin from UV damage, from environmental stressors and keep your skin healthy. Vitamin C has a role to play in collagen production, which basically is responsible for the elasticity of your skin, gives your skin a support and helps to delay fine lines and wrinkles. Brightening and combating hyperpigmentation is a benefit we've all heard about. It helps to fade dark spots, gives you bright, glowing and even-toned skin. Hyperpigmentation is caused due to the overproduction of something called melanin, which is the color or the pigment of our skin. No, it doesn't block all the melanin production of our skin, so your skin remains the same beautiful shade that it's always been. It only blocks the shades or the spots which have an overproduction of melanin. One of the most effective and the targeted route is through a serum. But you can start a vitamin C journey with a cleanser, toner, moisturizer or even an oil too. But ensure that you do not use vitamin C with these ingredients to avoid reactions. Start small with a low percentage and let your skin build up its tolerance. Remember to do a patch test before using any new products or ingredients. If you have any questions about this superstar brightening ingredient, drop them in the comments below. If you've enjoyed watching this, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more such fun videos.